Before buying a Stihl weed eater, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1: DWALT20V Max String Trimmer. The DWALT20V Max XR String Trimmer caught my eye right away. Priced at around $201.48, it's a solid option for anyone wanting a reliable battery-powered weed eater. If you want a trimmer that offers convenience and power, this is worth a serious look. It runs at 6,000 RPM, giving you the speed needed to cut through tough weeds efficiently. The folding hinge is super convenient for storage, and the quick-load spool makes changing line a breeze. With over 400 units sold just in the past month, it's clear that a lot of people have confidence in this tool. Now, some people complained about the battery life not being sufficient for larger yards. Here's the thing though, if you have a standard-sized yard, the runtime should be more than enough for your needs. So it might not be perfect for everyone, but it's definitely a great option for most homeowners. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a lightweight, battery-powered trimmer that's easy to store. Skip this one if you have a massive yard that requires extensive trimming, but for average home use, it's a solid investment. Product number 2: JNIHEP Garage Organizer Trimmer Rack. Next up is the JNIHEP Garage Organizer Trimmer Rack, which is surprisingly affordable at just $14.85. It's not a weed eater, but it's essential for keeping your tools organized. If you want to maximize your garage space, this is worth a serious look. Made of thick stainless steel, it's durable and rust-resistant, which is key for outdoor tools. It measures 5.9 inches deep and 5.5 inches wide, making it compact yet functional. Plus, it's dust-resistant, so your tools will stay clean and ready to use. With over 200 units sold recently, people clearly see its value. However, some users mention that the installation can be a bit tricky if you're not handy. But honestly, once it's up, you'll appreciate having your tools neatly organized. So while it might not be for everyone, if you're looking for a simple way to declutter your garage, it's definitely worth considering. This rack is perfect for you if you have multiple garden tools and need a space-saving solution. Skip this if you don't have a lot of tools to store, but at this price, it's a steal for anyone needing organization. Product number 3: Stihl GTA26 Wood Cutter. Coming in at $291.44, the Stihl GTA26 Wood Cutter is another contender. Although it's primarily a wood cutter, it has the potential to be a great addition to your garden toolkit. If you want versatility, this is worth a serious look. The 12-inch cutting width allows for precise cuts, which is perfect for trimming branches or shaping shrubs. It comes with a battery and charger, so you're set right out of the box. With 50-plus units sold recently, it's gaining traction among homeowners. However, some users expressed disappointment over its specific use case, as it's not a traditional weed eater. But here's the thing, if you're looking for a tool that can handle more than just grass, this could be a great investment for your yard and garden needs. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional tool that can trim both wood and grass. Skip this if you're strictly looking for a weed eater, but it's definitely a solid option for those who want more versatility. Product number 4: Husqvarna 122 LK Gas Trimmer. Next up is the Husqvarna 122 LK Gas Trimmer, priced at about $277.51. This is a gas-powered option that's built for those who want serious performance. If you want power and efficiency, this is worth a serious look. The Tap & Go T25 trimmer head makes line feeding super easy, and the Smart Start technology means you can get it going with minimal effort. It's designed to be lightweight, so you won't feel fatigued after long use. With 50-plus sold recently, it's a popular choice among users. However, some users have mentioned that it can be a bit noisy. Here's the thing though, if you're working in a larger yard, the trade-off for that power is often worth it. So it might not be for those who prefer a quieter experience, but for power users, it's a fantastic tool. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful trimmer for larger yards. Skip this if you're looking for something quieter or more compact, but it's a strong investment for the right homeowner. Product number 5, DWALT 20V Max String Trimmer Kit. Lastly, we have the DWALT 20V Max String Trimmer Kit, which isn't priced yet but is popular, having over 200 units bought recently. It's a complete kit that's designed for easy use. If you want a comprehensive solution for your trimming needs, this is worth a serious look. The variable speed trigger helps you manage power based on your needs, and the quick load spool is a lifesaver for busy homeowners. It's perfect for quick touch-ups and larger jobs alike. This trimmer has a solid reputation with users, making it an appealing choice. The downside is that, like the previous DWALT model, battery life might not be ideal for very large properties. But if you're doing regular maintenance on your yard, I think this will serve you well. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an all-in-one solution that's easy to manage. Skip this if you need a trimmer for extensive landscaping, but for the average homeowner, it's a fantastic pick. So we've covered 5 fantastic options for Stihl weed eaters and trimmers. The DWALT models offer convenience and solid performance, the Husqvarna brings power, and the Stihl GTA 26 adds versatility to your toolkit. Depending on your specific needs and yard size, there's something here for everyone. Choose wisely and happy gardening.